it's Flo here and welcome back to another video. Now, I'll be quickly talking about Stray and then go straight to the topic in question. Stray has come out recently. It's a very recent game and it's about a cat traveling around with cat friends, but due to an unstable platform, the cat falls off to another world and needs to get out of this place to reach out to their cat friends. Now, there was a lot of positive attention towards this game. A lot of my favorite YouTubers also have played the game. And well, now there's some mods, and I'm not surprised there are mods. For those who don't know, mods are basically you're trying to take the game files and change some assets to make it different. Right now, the first false mod that I known was Rain mod.
Jason!
Right now, we're talking about a possible mod with dogs instead of cats. And you might ask, where does the homophobia come from in this mess? Well, there is this community post made by H0m0ph0bia. H0m0 then claims that if you do try to mod the game and replace cats as dogs, when the whole mechanic of the game revolves around cats, then that means you're homophobic. While I do agree on the part that if you mod a game that was specifically made for cats with dogs, this will ruin entirely the purpose of the game, I think that this comparison is the dumbest thing I've ever heard. And I have seen some replies and comments under that post, and yeah, they are serious. They're absolutely serious. Guys, they're joking. Guy does this type of joke a lot. Obviously, dogs aren't homophobic, not mad. Now, for those who don't know, tone tags are usually used for neurodivergents, such as autistic people, to be able to differentiate between jokes and not jokes, or even intonations. That seems quite confusing. I myself, as an autistic person, do need those tone tags, whether to differentiate what is a joke and what is not. Wow, that is the funniest joke I've ever heard in my entire life. I'm laughing so hard right now, I'm rolling on the floor. Now, seriously, who does this kind of joke? Who does laugh at this kind of joke? I mean, I don't. I personally don't. People in the comments didn't like the joke either. So maybe reconsider your humor? Maybe, or at least put some actual tone indicators. Because I did not understand this was a joke until I scrolled into the comments. I did not see in any of your personal replies a tone indicator indicating it was a joke. So either fix your humor or keep it that way, but actually apply some tone indicators. It's not that complicated. I'm pretty sure that there's so many people going to come at me. I am gay and I have a dog, but that doesn't make me homophobic to myself. And I totally agree. Just saying I'm a cat person, but that doesn't mean I'm not straight. This whole argument is completely dumb because you are comparing animals to sexualities. Like, animals are also living, breathing creatures. Sexualities do not breed. It's just sexual attraction to another being. So that doesn't make any sense. I'm sorry, H0m0ph0bia, but this one is probably one of your dumbest joke ever. To conclude, I think H0m0ph0bia should reconsider immediately and learn from this. And that is, do not compare animals to sexualities. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have a great day and a great night. Bye everyone!